Okay, I just got off what might be the worst roller coaster I've ever ridden. And I don't say that lightly. This ride actually made me question how it exists at a park like Six Flags Great Adventure. Let's talk about the Dark Knight coaster and why this ride was a huge disappointment. What's up, guys? It's Matt Machine back with another theme park review. And today we're diving into the Dark Knight coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure. And yeah, I've got some strong thoughts. Before we get into it, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you've ridden this thing or if you'd ever want to. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you love roller coaster content and brutally honest reviews. So here's the thing. I love Mack Rides. Like, genuinely, this is the company that built Stardust Racers at Epic Universe, which is my absolute favorite roller coaster in the world. So how did the same company make that masterpiece and also make this mess? The Dark Knight coaster is supposed to be a themed wild mouse in the dark. And on paper, that sounds awesome. You've got Gotham theming, enclosed darkness, a queue that sets up a story. But then you get on the ride and instantly you feel it. It's rough, not intense, not fun, just rough. It's like the ride wants to be thrilling, but instead it jerks you around like a shopping cart with a broken wheel. Most wild mouse coasters have that sharp, snappy, turning energy. They whip you around in a way that's chaotic, but fun. This one, it just feels dead. The trims hit hard, the pace feels off, and it never builds any kind of real momentum. There's zero airtime, barely any thrill, and the darkness doesn't really help. It just hides how boring the layout actually is. Like, let's put this in perspective. I'd rather ride any other wild mouse over this. Hell, give me the off-the-shelf fairground version over this ride. At least those have some bite to them. It honestly blows my mind that the same company that engineered something as smooth, intense, and gracefully chaotic as Stardust Racers also created this snooze fest. It's like ordering a 5-star steak and getting a microwave burrito instead. And don't get me wrong, I wanted to like this ride. I love Batman. I love indoor coasters. I even love wild mouse rides when they're done right. But this just ain't it. If you're heading to Six Flags Great Adventure and trying to plan out your ride priorities, I'd honestly say skip the Dark Knight unless you're trying to tick every credit. It's a capacity eater, it's rough, it's not thrilling, and it just doesn't live up to the potential it had. And I know some people might disagree with me, and that's totally fine. But in my opinion, this is the worst roller coaster I've ridden to date. And it's weirdly poetic that it was made by the same company behind the best. All right, what do you think? Have you ridden the Dark Knight coaster? Did you love it, hate it, or just forget it existed the second you stepped off? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to know if I'm the only one who feels this way. And if you like this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest coaster takes, and join the Matt Machine crew. I've got way more content coming your way, from ride reviews to POVs to theme park vlogs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.